this video, we're going to be talking about the Quant price action today, my expectations for the Quant price in the future, my warnings, and most importantly, some good buying zones for Quant. So yeah, we're going to be talking about buying opportunities and my critical buying zones. So yeah, let's talk about it. So right now it looks like Quant has lost steam, obviously because of this massive pump we've had to the upside a couple of days ago. So right now we've lost steam. Why so? Because we just approached actually a major resistance zone right here. This, by the way, is a very heavy resistance zone. We're going to be talking about that later as we dive deeper into the video. But right now, let's talk about the Quant price action. So yeah, right now in the RSI, we have actually touched the overbought area right here. So obviously right now I'm expecting Quant, or for the Quant price to cool down a little actually. So yeah, right now in the short term I'm expecting a cool down. I'm expecting a dump to the downside. So this is where we're going to be talking about buying opportunities, where I think is a good spot to accumulate more Quant, obviously, or DCA into Quant. So first of all, let's pull up the fibs. So the ideal retracement for this pump actually is a dump to the 0.618 level on the fib. So that's located at $110. So that's my number one good buying spot, and then followed by the 0.382 level on the fib at $123. So yeah, these are two critical levels to actually find or look for support. So yeah, right now though, I think it's more likely that we're not going to be retracing to the 0.618 level on the fib because this pump is too steep. So maybe we could just retrace to this level right here at $118, where we formed this little bull flag right here. Yeah, a retracement to that level is ideal before continuation to the upside and making higher prices. So right now though, what are my expectations for Quant? Again, I want to see a retrace. First of all, I want to see a short-term sell-off or dump to the downside before continuation to the upside. But something critical is going to happen once we do break this major resistance zone. So again, if I see, or if we see a break of this resistance right here, this is going to be extremely bullish for the Quant price. Let's talk about that. So let's move to the daily time frame so we can understand how critical this resistance zone is actually. So yeah, right now we're in the daily time frame, and this resistance zone has actually been acting as strong support and resistance. Right here during August of 2021, it acted as support, and right here in December of 2021 acted as strong support as well. And we flipped it to major resistance right here in February of 2022 and in April of 2022. Right now we have approached the same level once again, but as resistance. So the question is, will we break this? Personally, I think it's highly probable or highly likely that we're going to be breaking above. So I want to see Quant have a break of this resistance zone right here, and yeah, we're going to go to the moon. So again, why is it critical? If we do break this resistance zone, there's a lot of room to the upside. So just imagine having a break of $150, flipping it to support. We're going to be meeting our next major resistance zone at $200 to $234. So that's where the next major resistance is located at, right here. So if we flip this resistance right here to support, there's more room to the upside. We could have more pumps to the upside. There's no resistance right here. There's available space right here. So we can definitely use that and pump to the upside. So yeah, it's going to be really bullish if we do break above this resistance. So I want to right now see a break of resistance, and then after that break, we're going to be seeing, or I'm personally expecting huge moves right after. But right now, in the shorter time frame, in the 4-hourly time frame, I'm expecting Quant to cool down. Yeah, I'm expecting a short-term dump to the downside, but obviously it can actually not happen. Right now it looks like we're actually forming some sort of flag right here. Let's see what Quant is gonna do actually. Are we gonna form some sort of bull flag once again and then break to the upside? Right now the RSI is still actually cooling down. So if it actually returns to optimal levels right here, and then I guess we're ready for another pump. So now there are two scenarios. It's either Quant is gonna form some sort of bull flag right here and actually not retrace to the downside. It's just gonna move within this range right here and then break to the upside. Or my ideal scenario is we're gonna be moving down, have a retrace, ideally at the 0.618 level on the fib right here. Wait a sec. At the 0.618 level on the fib at $110, but I believe it's most more likely that we're going to be retracing to this level right here, and then break above resistance. So that's my ideal scenario right now. So yeah, this is definitely a buying opportunity. So obviously I'm not gonna go all in. DCAing is the best choice you could ever do here to minimize the risk. By the way, also in the weekly we just broke above this massive inverse head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, we just broke above the neckline of this very massive inverse head and shoulders pattern. But right now, what do I want to see? Again, I want to see the weekly candle close above the neckline for us to flip bullish, and then also have a successful retest of the neckline. Then after that, boom, we're on to our price target of $300. That's the price target of this inverse head and shoulders actually. Yeah, that's the target, $300. But ideally, or it looks more likely that we're going to be pumping to $230 for this breakout right here. So again, I want to see a close above the neckline, a successful retest. That's a confirmation and a break of this resistance. All right, we're sold. We're going to the moon. But yeah, always not financial advice. Be sure to, of course, join my Discord server. I post daily market signals and updates, and also you can talk to people right here with the same likes as you. So the link to my server is in the description down below. I'm sorry if I'm still sick. I may sound different in this video, so drop a like if you think I sound a little weird today, and watch this video that is being displayed on the screen right now.